Andrew Thiel from Stevens Point, Wisconsin. There's just so much going on in each and everybody's life that's out there, and it's really important to really take a step back and always focus on yourself and your core and who you are, and no matter what the struggles are that you're going through in life, just know that things will get better. Know that the more you love yourself, the more you're going to be able to love and give it back to other people. We're all going through things. A lot of people are going through not having enough joy, not having enough love, or maybe their relationships aren't the way they want it to be. But that starts with you. Everything out there in this world that you want to be happy in, your relationships, your work, your future, your goals, your relationship with your kids, it starts with you, and it starts with the love that you have for yourself, because self-love is the most important love out there. And I read a quote this morning about there will never be any other moment than the present moment. So the more you spend here with yourself, like I said, it's going to go everywhere in the world, and when you can give more love is going to come back into your life, and that's pretty much what I got to say for today.
Genius, man.
So you all take care of yourselves, no matter what the situation is. Keep pushing, keep going, because things will only get better, because the people that are going through the darkest parts of their life and they love themselves more and more and more through those times, the time you get to the great part of your life, you're going to have so much love for yourself and so much love to give, and that's what life's about. It's giving love, loving yourself, loving the people around you, being around the people that remind you of who you are, because then you can love yourself more then, but you can also give those people that love as well. So take care, have a good day, come float.
Float Appleton, Wisconsin. Andrew, Stevens Point, Appleton, social influencer, genius, amazing story. I can't even understand how you come up with that right from the heart. And I can see it, man. There's so much emotion.
It is. It's when you spend that time, like being able to float today, and the truth is John asked me to come here to help him. The truth is, I needed that help more from John and the Float Light, being here to have that moment to myself in there, and it just helped me have another breakthrough on my life, my relationship with myself, and the people around me, and where this year is going to go. So
yeah, you got people, brother.
Yeah, I love you.
Thank you, man. Love you too, man. All right, guys. This is just one start of a YouTube video that we want to put out there, because 1,000 subscribers. Thank you, guys. We got so much more content that we're going to be putting out. I think that there's true value here, and if you hit the subscribe button, you follow us, you won't regret it. And let us know in the comments what you think we should talk about. Tell us what you would like to see. So with that, we'll see you all soon.